Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the KFC Coleslaw Survival Kit. Before we get to that, I hope you guys are enjoying the stealth camp video I posted yesterday. It was really fun to film and all that. I was being a little silly and was walking around with no shoes on, and I ended up getting a shard of glass in my foot. I didn't realize it till today, and this is 2 days later. So yeah, it's very, very small and it's in my foot. So I'm going to have to call my doctor and go in there and get that removed. But other than that, I had a great time. That's not gonna defer me from ever doing it again. I'm already playing many other stealth camps around the area, so look forward to that coming to the channel. And let's get into this kit. Here we have the little KFC kit. This had the coleslaw in it. I really love KFC for going green and having all these reusable containers, because you go there and get a meal and you're gonna get Tupperware with it. But yeah, we'll get right into this. It's a nice little kit, nice little case. Of course, it's a thin plastic. You want to seal this up, you can. And this can be a nice little pocket kit with some cargo pants, or the little pocket of your backpack. Just forget about it. Pop it open. You have your little top here. You can use that for whatever you need to. You have a wire saw. I mostly use these for creating shelters. So like a lean-to or an A-frame or something like that. So you can cut an actual larger piece of wood. There's not the correct size or adequate size for you. There's two large pieces of wood. Just makes it easier. And even if that doesn't work for you and you still have just the wire, you could honestly use this as your cordage, and you can go ahead and just wrap that around something and give her a nice little knot. It should hold. Here we have our Mylar survival blanket or emergency blanket. These are great for reflecting your heat back on you, signaling for help, and just keeping you dry and warm. So that can go paired with shelter making as well, not just keeping you warm. Here we have some snare wire, some very strong snare wire, and this stuff is mostly for shelter making, or if you need to make a spit over the fire or something like that, so you can boil water. For a boost, we just have a little packet of mustard. For signaling, we have our signal whistle. It's nice and shiny as well. Shiny part so you don't lose it while you're out there. Not so you can use it as a signal. Here we have an SE water activated towelette, towel wrapper, just to minimize the size. But you can use this for hygiene, first aid, marking trails, or just basic hygiene. Clean yourself up, making sure you're good. For cutting, we have our little razor blade. Fire starting, we have some Best Glide booklet matches. For navigation, we just have our button compass. I know this is a very basic kit because we just have the bowl here now. There's no purification tablets, there's no filter, there's no this and that. This is just a pocket kit, guys. You know, of course I could have shoved way more stuff in there, but these concepts are just to get you guys going on the idea of, wow, that thing from KFC that had coleslaw in it can actually be turned into something that can change a situation into good, or from bad to better. And yeah, I just don't want you guys to get too confused on that. These kits aren't meant to be perfect. That's why I ask for critiques after every single video. I am getting a lot of comments of people suggesting entirely different containers, but that beats the point of the video, in my personal opinion. But I love hearing from you guys still. So if you guys have any suggestions or what I should change or how to make it better, not just hate, please go ahead, leave it down below. I love hearing your feedback and hearing what you have to say about these kits. You know, I've been doing this for a good amount of time now, so you guys are just building up knowledge for me and what not to do, what to do. And once we get to that certain point, we're going to be able to put together those kits, the dream kits. We will get there, I promise, in time. Again, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for supporting me, showing love. And yeah, have an amazing day. Thank you guys.